Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been a while since we have done a lead code program, so let's get started. For median of two sorted arrays, this is a hard one. Given two sorted arrays nums1 and nums2 of size m and n respectively, return the median of two sorted arrays. So if we are given two arrays like num1 and num2 in example 1, you can see 1, 3 and num2 is going to be 2. So what we have to do is just merge them. So after merging them in sorted order, we are going to get 1 2 3 in a separate array. Then what we are going to do is just return the middle element. So middle element is going to be, the median is going to be 2. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward in the odd case in which the length of the list or an array is odd. But if it is even, like in example 2, you can see in this case we are going to take the middle two elements, add them up and divide them by 2. So 5 divided by 2 is going to give us 2.5. So that's it. So merged will be a list in which we will just merge these two different different arrays, and now we will have a sum variable for our sum at the end. If we have an odd case, an even case, because in the even case we are going to take middle two elements, add them up, divide them by 2 and then just return it. So now, so for every value in nums1, we will just add them in merge. So merge append value in nums1 and doing the same. So value in nums2 merge dot append that with that value that is in nums2. So now we are going to have values in the nums in the merge list, in the merge array, like this 1 3 and 2, but we have to have merged list in sorted order. So what we will be doing is just merged sorted and passing it the merge. So the merge is now, the merge array is now sorted. So now if the length of merged is equal to 0, if we divide it by 2, meaning if it is an even, then we know that we are going to pop from the left and right simultaneously until the length of the list becomes equal to 2. So while the length of merged is greater than 2, we will have to pop merged dot pop at 0 at the first index and from the last one. So that's it. So while, now this is the odd case. So while the length, in odd case we are just going to have the middle element which will be just 1, length 1. So we are going to do the same thing, pop 0 at 0 and merged at pop -1. So that's it. Now if there are two values in the merge list, so then it is an even case, and in the even case we are going to add them in the sum, because then we are going to divide the sum by the length of the list. So the length of the list in an even case is going to be 2 after this process, and the values we are going to just add them in sum. Okay, so just return at this point length. We want to have the answer in float, so float sum, and if we divide it by the length of merged list, and this is going to have like this. Okay, so this looks good. Let's see if this gets accepted or not. This works, and let's see how things are going to be working. So if we have our list like this, then we are going to pop from the left, from the right, an array. I am just saying list again and again, but this is an array. So now in this case, if this is an odd case, then obviously we are going to have 2 only in sum, and the length of the array is now 1, so we'll be returning 2, of course in point values in float. And now if the linked list, if the an array is like this, then we are going to pop from the left and then pop from the right till the length is equal to 2 basically. And now if it is equal to 2, we will just add them in sum. So now sum now have 5, and 5 divided by 2, because the length of the list, the length of array is 2, and in points it will be like 5 2 5 0 0 0 0, something like that. And that's it.